Hello everybody, welcome to GIS Pathshala Grade 6. Now today we are going to do in history. See, we have done geography, political. Now again we are going to do history, and our chapter 2 is on the trail of the earliest people. See, now trail means one type of series what they have done. One type of series means what they did, that series wise we want to see something, that what they did and how they were living. See, always we are very eager to know about the past. Today we are getting all the modern facilities, all the things. But many a time such type of question is coming in our mind, that when some this type of things were not available, how the people were living, what they were doing. So some of the things we are going to see about the earliest people. See, on the trail of earliest people, the earliest people, why were they on the move? See, you know, earlier people were not staying at one place, they were moving from one place to another place. So why they were moving from one place to another place, that we have to see. Making stone tools. See, God has given the mind to everybody. God has given the mind. When the God has created a human being, God has given the mind to everybody. So whatever things were available, or whatever things are available from that, always men were making new things according to their needs. गॉड ने सभी इंसान को माइंड दिया हुआ है, दिमाग दिया हुआ है, तो जब भी जो भी चीज़ अवेलेबल होती थी उसमें लोग अपनी नीड्स के मुताबिक चीज़ें बना लेते थे. सो इन दैट टाइम, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, स्टोन्स वर अवेलेबल. सो हाउ दे वर मेकिंग द यूज ऑफ स्टोन्स. A changing environment, agriculture revolution. See, after that they started agriculture also. Today full-fledged agriculture is there. But how they started? They got some idea and they started. Division of human historical time, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. See, these are the three time period that we will see further in this chapter only. And another things were rock painting in France. See, these all things we are going to see in this chapter. Now see, this is the picture is given how the early men were moving from one place to another place, which type of clothes they were wearing. See, maximum things they were using. You can see from the picture the clothes they wore of the skin of the animals. Anything they are living in the caves. The weapon they are having in the hand, mostly of, see, the bones are there, tree barks are there. No modern metal things were available. Now see, why were they on the move? See, why they were on the move. 2 million years ago, human were hunter gatherers. Hunter gatherers means the people were moving from one place to another place. Mostly they were hunting the animals and getting their things, food, all the things. They gathered food, roots, seeds, etc. Mostly whatever available they were gathering, and then hunted animals, fish and bird. They were hunting animals, fish and birds. All this was very difficult. See now, okay, they were moving from one place to another place. They were hunting and getting the food. But are you feel these things are easy? No. These things were very difficult. All this was very difficult. Animals were stronger and run faster. See, they want to hunt the animal, but how you know animals are running? So they have to run behind the animal. Otherwise, they have to use some of the ideas. They have to think properly and they can do the things. Presently, we are saying na, we sometimes we should do smart work. So they also had to use their presence of mind and they should do sometimes the smart work also. But things were very difficult. Animals were stronger and run faster. See, compared to men, they can run also fast also and they were strong also. So human need to be robust. Robust means strong. In simple हमारी language में हम बताते हैं मजबूत होना चाहिए. मजबूत means not it is like that physically you are fit. मजबूत का मीनिंग ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आप फिजिकली फिट हो, but mentally also you should be strong. Without water you can sit for a long time for hunting. You should have to wait for the animal, then you should have the patience. Your willpower should be strong. All the things are there. Robust means not physically only fit. Alert. मीन्स यू आर सिटिंग फॉर हंटिंग एंड देन यू आर डोजिंग, आप सो रहे हो वहाँ बैठे बैठे, बाय द टाइम द एनिमल इज कमिंग एंड मूविंग, so you are not getting your things quick. As soon as the animal is coming some work, immediately they should do, they should be ready for all the things, and have presence of mind, so these qualities they should have to maintain, or they should make these qualities so that they can sustain. To collect plants, knowledge of plants is needed to know which of them is poisonous. See, they are collecting the plants, they are eating the plants, but they should collect the knowledge of plant also. Sometimes some plants, the fruits are poisonous, we cannot eat the fruits. Sometimes they should know that the which part of this part can we eat. All the parts they are not eatable, we cannot eat all the parts, but certain parts of the plants we can eat. So this type of knowledge also they should take. And also knowledge of season was required, and the knowledge of season also they should have. Why? Because suppose they are staying at one place, and they should know that after 1 month here the weather is going to change, cold winter might be there, so immediately they are moving from that place. Sometimes they are knowing that in this place presently in the trees we are getting the fruit, but after 1 month the season of the fruit is not there, so we cannot get anything, so we have to move from here. So such type of knowledge of season should be, they should know. All these things were important. See, anytime knowledge is required, presently also you want to go further, you should know the things, so like that in that time also they should know all these things. Now see, basically people move from place to place due to the following reason. See, those were the qualities they needed to sustain, but now basic reason, what are the reasons? If they stayed for a long, they would have eaten everything available. See, at one place suppose they are living, then whatever things are available they are eating, so now the things will be not there, so they should move to another place. Animals moved from place to place, so people also need to follow. See, animals are also not staying at one place. Season wise animals are also doing the migration. Migration means season wise animals are going from one place to another place. So if the animals are not there, how they can hunt and how they can get that food? They were not getting their food. So as the animals are migrating, they should have to migrate, they should have to go to another place for the hunting also, and they should stay to another place. Plants and tree grew according to season. See, that though you all are knowing that plants and trees grew according to the season. Suppose the season of mango is there, suppose the season of mango is now finished, so after full year they were not getting any edible things, so they have to move to another place. Suppose the where they were staying at that place, whatever fruits and plants are available according to that, the example of mango just have given you. It is not like that they are staying nearby mango, so you can think any other thing they can't get. But mostly seasonal things are there. People need water always, in May source of water are non-perennial, so they get dried. See, people need water, and many sources of water are non-perennial, so they get dried. See, then they are not getting the water. If the water sources are dried, no water is there. Now see, the word non-perennial is there. I am explaining that word. See, what do perennial means? Perennial source of water are those rivers and lakes in which water is available throughout year. See, some of the river lakes are like that. In that full year you can get the water. Full year throughout the year water is available. For example, you see Ganga river, Yamuna river. In those rivers, full year you can get the water. The same water will be available. So now those water sources are known as perennial sources. Means the water sources in which full year throughout the year water is available, those water sources are known as perennial water sources, and those rivers are known as perennial rivers. Now non-perennial source of water are those rivers and lakes in which water is not available throughout the year. Water is not available throughout the year. Water in them get dried up in summer season. See, some of the rivers, for example Mahanadi, Krishna river, all rivers are such type of rivers where water is not available in summer season, these rivers are dried only. So when the monsoon is there, in rainy season water is there, in winter water is there, but as soon as the summer season is coming and in summer water is not available in the known perennial sources. So water is not available, so obviously the people has to move from one place to another place. So these are the perennial sources and non-perennial sources. Sometimes the word is coming perennial rivers and non-perennial rivers. So perennial rivers means rivers in which full year the water is available, and non-perennial rivers means rivers in which in summer the water is not available, the rivers are dried up in summer. Now how do we know? See, now how do we know all the things that what people were using in earlier times and some things about them? Archaeologists have found tools made of wood, bones and stone used by early people for cutting. See, archaeologists, you see in the first lesson we have seen the work of the archaeologist. And one question is also that the archaeologist work is like a detective, like the detective are moving and running here and there for to getting some of the clues. Like that the archaeologists are searching, they are busy and they are interested in find some of the things. So they found tools made of wood, bones and stones used by early people for cutting bones and meat. See, they were hunting the animals. After hunting they are getting the bones and meat. To cut the bone, to cut the meat, they are using the stone. To chop fruits, they are taking the getting the fruits from the trees, but they want to chop means to cut the fruits. Digging roots, see, as we know that some of the vegetables we are roots also we are eating, and the roots are underground. Suppose carrot, radish, potato, all are underground, so they have to dig from the ground. After digging they are getting, so for digging also they need some weapon, tools. Roots and stitching clothes of animal skin. See, they were wearing the skin, they were using the skin of animal as a clothes. So to join the animal skin, to stitch the skin of the animal, they use some of the tools. Now tool means such type of things that make our work easy. One type of thing that make our work easier, that is a tool. So what for what work the earlier people were using the stones? People cutting bones and meat, chop fruits, digging roots and stitching clothes of animal skin. Some may have been attached to handles of bone or wood to make spears and arrows for hunting. See, then they got new ideas and they made, suppose they were getting the bark of the tree, they were getting the bone of the animal and they are attaching the स्टोन टू दिस, उसके साथ स्टोन को ज्वाइंट कर देते थे, सो हैंडल मिल जाता था और ऊपर वेपन मिल जाता था. दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स दे वर मेकिंग फॉर हंटिंग. पीपल ऑल्सो यूज टू चॉप वुड एज वुड इज यूज इन मेकिंग हर्ट्स. और पीपल क्या करते थे, दे वर चॉपिंग द वुड को भी चॉप करते थे, कट करते थे, बिकॉज मैक्सिमम दे वर यूजिंग वुड फॉर मेकिंग हर्ट. Now see, these are the stones. These are the stones they were using. Now see, these type of things they made. See, after using the bark of the tree or bone, they are joining the stone to that stick and they were getting the handle type tool. See, some of the tools you can see, this is like a hammer only. This is like a hammer only. You can see the handle they are getting. So they are using their mind and making some of the things. After that, people tried to find better quality stone. See, always this type of things happens. Now, one simple mobile was there. After that, some more functions came in the mobile. After that, more functions came in the mobile. Nowadays, smartphones are there. So, new things are coming and the development is there. So, people try to find better quality stone. Always they are getting one stone of simple stone. They are thinking some extraordinary pointed stone. Suppose I am getting, then it make my work easier. So the place where good quality stones were found turned to become factory site. Now see, where people were getting good quality of stones were found to turn to become factory site means जहाँ पे अच्छी क्वालिटी के स्टोन अवेलेबल होते थे वहाँ पे लोग क्या करते थे, वहाँ पे वो लोग टूल्स बनाने लगते थे अच्छे अच्छे. ज़्यादा लोग वहाँ आ जाते थे एंड दे वर मेकिंग द टूल्स, सो दैट इज़ वाई द वर्ड इज यूज फैक्ट्री साइट. We find blocks of stones, tools, vast amount of chips of waste stones in those sites. See, how you can say that उनको आप factory site बता रहे हो? Because when the archaeologists searched something, they got the blocks of stones, properly cut blocks of stones, tools, some tools they also got, vast amount of chips. See, after cutting that stone, some chips were there. They are making and cutting the stone proper shape they are getting, so extra part they are cutting, though the chips and the part, extra part, all the things were down on the ground. So archaeologists got all such type of things, vast amount of chips of waste stones in those sites. Because of that, they came to know this here the good quality of stones were available and people gathered here and they made ample of tools from that. People lived in those sites for long, so they become habitation cum factory sites. See, the now people were preferring to live there. People lived there for a long time, so they become habitation cum factory site. Habitation means habitat means where the peoples were living. Peoples were getting the comfortable area and people were living. So those type of places were known as habitation cum factory site, means people were living also and people were making the tools also. For example, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. See, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is one of the such type of sites. They have cave and rock shelters. Their caves were there and rock shelters were there. These caves provided shelter from rain, heat and wind. These caves provided shelter from rain, heat and wind. So as the house type facilities the caves were providing, and there nearby they were getting good stones. So they were making tools also properly. So here they can get a shelter also properly and they can make the good tools also. Now one thing is more, what is site? What is site? Sites are places where the remains of things were found. Sites or places where archaeologists are doing the research work and digging or something. So they were getting the things like tools, pots, building buried under the ground. They found some of the things there. So these places were known as site. These were made, used and left behind by people. These things what they were getting, those things were मेड और यूज्ड और लेफ्ट बिहाइंड बाय पीपल. बहुत सालों पहले किसी ने बनाया हो, यूज़ किया हो और छोड़ के चले गए और वो जहाँ पे रह गई हो. दैट इज दिस मे बी फाउंड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, बरीड अंडर द अर्थ और समटाइम्स इवन अंडर द वाटर. सी दिस टाइप वी कैन फाउंड अंडर ऑन सरफेस ऑन द अर्थ ऑल्सो, बरीड अंडर द ग्राउंड ऑल्सो, अर्थ ऑल्सो, अर्थ के नीचे भी मिलती है और समटाइम्स इवन अंडर वाटर, पानी में भी मिलती है. जैसे हमारे यहाँ ऐसा माना जाता है कि पानी के नीचे द्वारका है. पानी में द्वारका पूरी डूब गई थी, कृष्ण भगवान की नगरी पानी में पूरी डूब गई थी, हमारे यहाँ ऐसा बोला जाता है. सपोज मोहनजोदड़ो, आप पिक्चर भी आपने देखी होगी, मोहनजोदड़ो की थोड़ी स्टोरी आपको सपोज पता है तो यू कैन नो दैट मोहनजोदड़ो ऐसा बोलते पूरा गांव जमीन के नीचे बरीड हो गया था. लाइक दोज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स व्हेन दे आर गेटिंग, दे आर नोन एज द साइट्स. So that type of one site is there in the Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. See, this is the picture of the site of Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. See the rock caves. See, in this they were staying easily. They can get the shelter, and there is no need to make the separate house. They are getting proper shelter in the caves only. Thank you.